Hi, I'm Sam from Firewave, and in this video I'm going to teach you about our profit pyramid. So our profit pyramid has three sides, as you might imagine, because it's a pyramid. One side is direct mail, two is content, and three is social. And these are actually the basis of everything we do for our marketing here at Ashdown Jones. And this is what we teach and help our clients with as well at Firewave. There is an advanced level of each of these three, and this is what I wanted to introduce you to today. So if you feel like you're already doing direct mail really, really well, what's the advanced level? Well, the advanced level is a door knock. And a door knock is quite scary, but if you've already sent out 3 sales letters, it becomes a lot less scary. And maybe you go with a gift, again, it's a bit less scary. So try direct mail with a door knock, and I think you find that your direct mail performs so much better. So what's the advanced version of content? Well, it's what I'm doing right now. It's video content. Now, I know that video might be very scary as well to some of you. I had an agent email me just the other day and said, how would you get more confident on video? You seem to be really confident. Well, guess what? I wasn't when I first did my first ever video 15 years ago. I was absolutely terrified, and it was the worst video ever. In fact, it's probably on YouTube. Don't go and look for it. But the way you get confident on video is by doing more video. The more you do it, the more confident you get, the more used to it you get, the more actually it just becomes second nature to you and you don't have to think about it at all. So that's how to up-level your content and go to video. What's the advanced version of social? It's actually paid social. So what's paid social? Well, it could be a paid Twitter ad, a paid LinkedIn ad, or more probable actually is a paid Facebook ad. That's where most people cut their teeth on paid social, and it's where I suggest you do too. So this is our profit pyramid. Those are the 3 advanced levels of it. If you'd like to know more about it, then actually if you go to fire-wave.co.uk/start, find out if your area is available, find out if you could become a member of the Firewave community, if that's what you want to do, then we can tell you about exactly how we teach this and other strategies to all our fantastic member clients. See you on the next video.